What is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel where we show you guys how you guys can find your wallet address on Coinbase. So it's pretty simple, but before I show you the way, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified for future tutorial videos. And if you guys want to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Coinbase, then you guys can use our referral link down in the description. If you use our link, then you guys can get up to $10 bonus for free. So yeah, let's get on with today's video. So to see your wallet address, basically what you want to do is click on where it says send and receive on Binance over here at the top after logging into your account. You want to click on send and receive. Once you're over here, you want to click on where it says receive. Once you're on receive, you want to click on where it says address. As you guys can see, this is my Bitcoin wallet address over here and this is its QR code. So if I want to see for, my other coins like Ethereum, Cardano, I can just click on where it says assets and then choose the coin of which I want to see. So let's say I want to see of Ethereum. I can type ETH, wait for some time, and this is my Ethereum's wallet address. Now in this wallet address, I can only receive coin. I cannot send coin, all right? So this is my receiving address. So this is a QR code and this is its receiving address. And I can, look for different coin by clicking on assets over here. For different coin, there is different address. Remember that. For sending, there's another panel over here for sending. So just remember that. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can see your wallet address on Coinbase. Now you can only see your receiving wallet address. If you want to see where your cryptocurrencies are stored, then you cannot because Coinbase is a third-party app. So they don't show you where they store your, cryptocurrency. So you can only see your receiving address, all right? So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on. And if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment. And yeah, if you guys want to get a $10 bonus for signing up into Coinbase, you can use our referral link. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye.